Mohotsav is an annual one-week tree planting festival in India, which is started in the month of July. It was started in 1950 by K.M. Munshi to create enthusiasm for forest conservation and planting trees. Let us all greet the day and pray to God for giving us such a beautiful Mother Earth. All of you take prayer position. Is a way to make us aware of our duties towards the nation. So for pledge, here comes a step.
All of you, please stretch your right arm and be ready for pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
And all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents.
New thought encourages us and gives us opportunity to get success in life. So for thought, here comes Anvi.
Good morning. Today's thought is, if you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you save a tree, you save a life. If you plant a tree, you plant a life. Thank you.
To enrich our vocabulary, I would like to invite Yati.
Good morning. Today's two new words are, my first word is barren. It means too poor to produce much of any vegetation. Uses in sentence, a barren tree or plant does not produce any fruit. My second word is aromatic. It means having a pleasant smell. Uses in sentence and aromatic
By my classmates on one Mohotsav, so I invite them for the same. I'm going to present a skit on one Mohotsav. Once upon a time, there were three beautiful and large trees named Chintu, Pintu, and Mintu. They were very good friends and lived happily together in the forest. Look at these trees. They are very big. We can get much wood from them. Yes. You are right. We will come tomorrow to cut down these three trees. Chintu, Pintu and Bintu listened their conversation and started praying. Oh God, what will happen tomorrow? Today is our last day. We will not be able to enjoy our life. The trees were having many friends in the jungle as tiger, deer, bear, rabbit and parrot. They heard the cry of their friends and come. What happened with you? Why are you crying, my friends? Our life is in danger. Tomorrow the woodcutters will come to cut three of us. All the animals started planning to save the trees. Next day, the woodcutters come again to the forest to cut down those trees. Just then, the tiger comes with bear and eagle to save the trees. Go away! Don't cut these trees. They are our friends. We can't live without them. Woodcutters become afraid and ran away from there. All the animals and trees become very happy and started dancing together. Friends, the moral of our skit is we should not cut these trees. They give us life by providing food, oxygen, paper, clothes, wood, medicines, and shelter to animals, etc. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Invite my teachers to present a song on one Mohotsav.
Serena.
Sabe
growth.